Hi everyone, Kylie Bussing here, joining you from my studio right outside of Boston. Today I have my beautiful model Kelsey, and on Kelsey I'm going to be creating a really bright, warm, lived-in blonde using SilkLift Strong and 6%, followed by an Elumen service. I've completed my pre-lightening service and I've applied my Elumen. My formula is equal parts GB at 9 and NB at 10 with just a drop of PRE-LIGHTENING at 10 to add a bit of a rosy hue and reflection. I absolutely love following my blonding and pre-lightening services using Elumen because Elumen adds incredible shine and reflection. It has a repairing effect and it's ammonia-free, so it's very gentle and conditioning to the hair. It also offers my blonde lasting durability. Here is the finished look on my beautiful model Kelsey. You can see that that little dot of PRE-LIGHTENING at 10 in my formula offered a very intentional warmth and gives us a bit of a rosy, more neutral glow. By using Elumen after my blonding service, I'm getting a really shiny, healthy, and reflective blonde, which as a stylist, I love. For more looks like this, head on over to our Goldwell Education Plus YouTube channel, and we can't wait to see you there.